Hello friends. So, is your car's battery acting up? Are you experiencing starting issues or maybe some unusual electrical problems? Alright, so what is P0514? The P0514 code stands for Battery Temperature Sensor Circuit Intermittent. This means the Engine Control Module, or ECM, is not receiving a stable signal from the battery temperature sensor. The battery temperature sensor actually plays a crucial role in monitoring the battery's temperature and adjusting the charging system accordingly. If this sensor fails, it can cause overcharging or undercharging of the battery, and that can lead to electrical failures. Some common symptoms of P0514 are the check engine light coming on, the battery warning light showing up on the dashboard, battery overcharging or undercharging, difficulty starting the engine, and fluctuating voltage readings. If your car is showing these symptoms, let's find out where the problem is. To diagnose P0514, you'll want to locate these key components: the battery temperature sensor, which is usually located on top of the battery or inside the battery case, the alternator and voltage regulator, typically mounted on the front of the engine near the serpentine belt, the battery terminals and wiring, which are connected directly to the positive and negative battery terminals, and the Engine Control Module, or ECM, which is usually found under the hood or sometimes inside the passenger compartment. Hey, here's a quick tip. Sometimes a loose or corroded battery connection can actually trigger that P0514 code. Now let's break down some of the most common reasons this code might pop up. First, you could be dealing with a faulty battery temperature sensor. When this sensor fails, it just can't send the correct temperature readings to your car's computer. Next, corroded or loose battery connections are a big culprit. Poor connections like these can really disrupt communication with the sensor. And finally, a bad alternator or a faulty voltage regulator can be to blame. If your battery is being overcharged or undercharged, that can definitely cause sensor errors. So, yeah, these are the main things to look out for. Alright, so another possible cause is damaged wiring or a blown fuse. A short circuit or a broken wire can interrupt the sensor signal, which is definitely something you want to watch out for. And in rare cases, it could actually be an ECM malfunction, where the ECM fails to process battery temperature data correctly. Now let's talk about how to fix the P0514 code. First, use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0514 code. Next, check the battery temperature sensor. If it's faulty, just go ahead and replace it. Okay, moving on, step 3 is to inspect your battery connections. Make sure to clean off any corrosion and tighten up those loose terminals. Step 4, test the alternator and voltage regulator to make sure you're getting the proper charging voltage, which should be somewhere between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. And finally, step 5, check the sensor wiring and fuses. If you spot any damaged wires or blown fuses, repair or replace them as needed. Now, for the last steps, step 6 is to reset the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the issue is resolved. So, just to wrap things up, the P0514 code is usually caused by a faulty battery temperature sensor, a bad alternator, or poor wiring connections. Fixing it will totally ensure stable battery performance and help prevent those annoying charging system failures. If you want more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0272, Cylinder 4 Contribution or Balance Fault, and P0273, Cylinder 5 Contribution or Balance Fault. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching.